Hindi katulad ng iba dyan, no? Kopyang-kopya, kulang naman sa letra, Chos. Char.
Okay, no?
Dugaya!
Oh, I love the Philippines.
Wait lang. Hey guys! Kamusta? Today is August 9, 2021 and I'm with my sisters. Ay, hindi kami kompleto, yung youngest namin nasa probinsya. Shout out to you. Hi babe, Rinaya. So for today guys, this is going to be a very special vlog with my sisters and later on with our mother, we will play Who's Most Likely To. So familiar na kayo sa game na yon, yung imumudmud Oo, yung ididip yung mukha kung sino yung ano yan? Basta ganun game, familiar na kayo sa ganun. But before that, we are going to cook one of our favorite snacks, ang potato wedges. Let's start. So the ingredients that we need are of course potatoes. We have here a special seasoning na Cajun seasoning, tapos meron tayong salt, and then chili powder pala, tapos flour. Tapos, kailangan din pala natin ng ground pepper. Kukuha na lang kami sa kusina, nakalimutan ko. So, unang-una natin gagawin, babe, is wash the potatoes.
Yeah.
Wow, daming alam, oh. Let's go. Anong ginagawa? So, yung mga potato wedges, guys, hindi siya pinipeel. So, hindi natin siya ipipeel. So, next is, ikakat natin siya into ganyan lang. Ito. Para dali siya maluto. Okay, so next is, imimix lang natin yung lahat ng mga seasoning kasama yung flour. Gamay lang, gamay lang.
Enough na?
And then, quarter na. Cajun.
Wow.
So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Tapos, imimix lang natin. And then, we will toss everything dito sa bowl.
Ay, ana order siya.
Ano siya yan? Later. We'll toss this later. Kayo mag-toss
Siya
niya.
i-pan siya.
Okay, ganyan na. Mix lang. Mix lang. Oh, sorry guys ha, kasi medyo umuulan kasi sa labas, kaya
Yeah.
parang medyo maingay.
Ate, where do you copy your recipes from?
Well, I watch YouTube videos kasi mas gusto ko yung pinapanood ko yung isang bagay kaysa sa binabasa ko yung recipe. So, pinapanood ko sa YouTube and I just get the idea kung paano siya lutuin. Pero diligid siya, ingon ka na bitong kopya dyan kayo nga kopya. So, kung na-master na ako ang recipe, I put my own twist to it. So, ano siya.
Okay. So you don't really copy like kopya-kopya?
Hindi. Hindi talaga yung tipong kopyang-kopya. As what I've said earlier, parang kinukuha ko lang yung idea tapos I put my own twist to it. Pero hindi naman masama kung kukopya ka ng isang recipe or kung ano man yung kopyahin mo. As long as you credit the owner, di ba?
Right, yeah,
Hindi katulad ng iba dyan, no? Kopyang-kopya, kulang naman sa letra, Chos. Char.
Familiar.
May naalala ka? Pero di nga guys ha, kidding aside, make sure to only use Solane LPG. Wala pong iba. Solane LPG po, walang labis, walang kulang na letra. Talagang Solane LPG lang to ensure you and your family safety. So guys, kanunay natong hinumduman ha, nga sa kalidad, timbang ug letra, adto ta sa kompleto ug sigurado. Dapat Solane LPG lang, okay? Okay. Na, pwede na ito i-fry. Go!
Okay na?
Okay guys, so magsa-start na tayo sa Who's Most Likely to game natin. At wala lang, share lang namin na naluto na pala yung ating potato wedges. So, kain lang kayo dyan mga C's, okay?
Yes.
Eating. So, ayan, again, our mom is here. Mama Sarah, say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Yes. Hindi ka sis. So, ayan, may tubig dito sa harapan namin. So, alam na natin yung game na to. Kung sino yung taong yon who's most likely to, siya yung igaganon mo sa water, okay? Easy. Yeah, easy. Okay, let's start. Wait lang, kain muna ako.
Sige.
Ano pila ko ako tilbin? Uy, gahi ay ha. Gahi ay sa ulo. Relax.
Extra.
Who's most likely to take good selfies?
Dugaya!
Who's most likely to get a speeding ticket? Who's most likely to give the best advice?
Best advice.
Who's most likely to show up drunk at work? Who's most likely to double date?
Uy, pinso. Pwede, honest. Joke lang. Player.
Who's most likely to have a secret lover? Who's most likely to have a stage fright? Who's most likely to move to another country?
Oh, I love the Philippines.
Wrong lang, kanila.
Who's most likely to cry in a public place?
Patay ka ba? Kita ka sa himi. Pwede tanan. Pwede. Oh my God! Sukot ako ilong.
Who's most likely to be a cool parent?
Cool parent.
Abaw, nagika na, ma. Ma, come on, ma.
Come on.
Cool, come on.
Ano siya?
Yeah.
Kani. Ulo ako din.
Kung karaan.
Hindi may old school.
Who's most likely to be bad at love?
Bad at love.
Sure, ikaw nalay mood sa mga. Mood mo na, yourself.
Ito yun.
Who's most likely to queue behind a mannequin at a store?
Mannequin in a store. Hanggang siya.
Who's most likely to be best in math?
Voluntary gitu.
Who's most likely to be broken-hearted?
May panic.
Pero may naman lang yan.
Who's most likely to never get drunk?
Never get drunk.
Most likely lang to never.
Okay.
Who's most likely to be a nun?
Smash ulo. Pwede ako? Wow, upat ka, limang ka.
Who's most likely to get married first? Get married first.
Get married first. Ano siya? Ako ginawa. Siya pa ginawa. Pati isa lang.
Patatlaw, pili ginawa. Basta makauyab na siya kay maminyag na siya.
Who's most likely to have an imaginary friend?
Tanaw mo ka na ko.
Grabe mo lang, weird ko.
Who's most likely to have a messy room?
Uy. Messy room.
Uy.
Who's most likely to end up like mama?
Ilong. Sujud siya sa... To end up like me.
Ang tarungan choices.
Pwede duha. Pwede kay 5.
Oh my God. Masakit kito mo.
Who's most likely to spend all their money on food?
Bilibilis.
Nakuha na niya grab food na. Tara ko sa grab food. Naurot na niya.
Who's most likely to keep a diary?
Keep a diary. Ako mo na mag-choose.
Okay, who's most likely to marry a rich man?
Diray.
Choose volunteer.
Isang ketchup yun. Warok ketchup yun.
Who's most likely to have a candy bar in their pocket?
Kuman diri. Sina dito.
Pero pwede siya.
Uy.
Who's most likely to cry over little things?
Siya.
Who's most likely to win a scavenger hunt?
Siya mo po. Ano? Mas likely naman, di ba?
Who's most likely to bake and sell cookies?
Bake and sell.
Bake and sell siya. Pwede sa siya.
Who's most likely to meet the president?
President?
The president.
Who's most likely to miss a wedding?
Ngunit kadugay. Takot na sila.
Who's most likely to stay sober during a party?
Sober. Ano siya?
No?
Who's most likely to be hungry 24/7?
Sa irang upat. Supposedly the 5th, pero aman diri so siya na lang.
Who's most likely to worry about small things?
Small things. Ano siya?
Okay. Kasi pinakaltansi ka na to, no?
Ano?
Ito siya. That was the end, guys. Enjoy mo, girls.
Sakit ilong.
Saan ako eh? Sakit sa ilong pala, no? Thank you so much, Mama, for your participation sa aming vlog. Daghang king salamat. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And I also hope that you learned a thing or two. So, ayan. Till our next vlog. Maraming salamat. Bye!
Bye!